Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make a beautiful bird mural art. So stay tuned. I've taken this old wooden plank I had and I've painted it black and a little bit of glue. If you don't have a wooden plank, you can also use a cardboard. Here I'm making birds using Fevicryl Mouldit. You can use any acrylic. Here I'm using a circular cap to make the head of the bird. For the body, I'm simply rolling the clay to make it flat. If you are new to my channel, it's so good to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload any new video. Now that the body is done, I'm gonna make some feathers. And as you guys can see, I've not used any clay tools. I'm just using this craft cutter. But if you have clay tools, you can use them. Here I'm making a branch. Time to make some leaves and flowers. Just pasting everything on the board, and I've also made another board. I've used bamboo sticks to support the clay while it dries to get my desired shape. leaves using acrylic colors, and for the birds, I'm giving them an ombre effect. For the eyes, I'm using black marker, but you can also use black paint. And it's done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.